how to hide comments on Instagram. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can hide comments on Instagram. So you can hide comments on Instagram to manage the content displayed on your post. And so if you want to add the comments, it is very simple. First of all, you'd have to locate the particular post with comments you would like to hide. And to do so, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you would be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you'll see the profile, number of posts, followers, and all of that. Then go ahead and select the post, whose comments you would like to hide. And so, after selecting the post, go ahead to the comment section. And so once you're on the comment section, move to the top right corner where you can see three vertical dots and just click on it. Then after clicking on it, a number of instructions will be displayed. Once you can see this, go ahead and click on hide more comments. And so you can now see hide comments, advanced comments filtering, etc. So just go ahead, move to the right side here. If you want to hide comments and this toggle is turned off, ensure you click on it so that it can be turned on this way. And so the comments for this particular post will be hidden. Alright, and to turn it off, just do the same thing. So this is it. This is how you can turn on or turn off or hide comments on Instagram. Thanks for watching and have a good day.